Dime. Okay, this is similar to dígame, but you use this in informal situations. So you can say this to your friends. You can use this among family, among people you know very well. Dime, dime. Dime means tell me, okay? Very common thing to say in English as well, just tell me. Tell me. Or, when you have a situation where someone is not saying things to you like straight to the point. They're not saying it as things are. They're not saying things as they are. They're just taking forever to say something. You just want to know, hey, dime, what's going on? Dime, tell me, right? So this is a good one. This is a good one as well. Let's look at an example. No te puedo decir lo que pasó. No te puedo decir lo que pasó. Dime, dime. Do you know what this means? No te puedo decir lo que pasó. That whole sentence means I can't tell you what happened. Someone can say this to you, or you can say this to someone. And if you say, or the person says, dime, that means tell me, tell me, tell me, please, dime por favor. Very good. It's a very good one. Very good little word. No te puedo decir. No te puedo decir. That means I can't tell you. Puedo comes from the verb poder, which means can, or also poder means power. But yeah, as a verb, it means can, to can. To can it. No, not that kind of can. When you can do something or you can't do something. In this situation, no te puedo, it means I can't you, because we're saying te. Okay? Te, me, le, those pronouns are really common in Spanish. No te puedo, I can't you. In this situation, we're saying decir, tell. Okay, so we have the verb right there, decir. Decir means to say or to tell. Okay, just letting you know that. Lo que pasó, what happened. Okay, lo que pasó. If you say ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? As a greeting, you are saying like what's up or what's happening, what's cooking, kind of greeting. But when you say lo que pasó, what happened in this situation, and yeah, dime, tell me. Very, very easy. You just want to know the T. So yeah, this is a very good word. Dime, very simple. Tell me.